Guess what? Right now, Gemini is completely free to use, and it can create amazing picture books for you. Different art styles, different languages. The characters stay consistent. And the best part, it can even read the story out loud. Here's how it works. Open Gemini, type this prompt. Can you make a picture book to explain what AI is to my 5-year-old daughter? Just click send, and then wait a few seconds. The picture book appears. Click the little button in the top left corner, and it will start reading the story to you.
Sparky's Special Brain. Once upon a time, in a world full of wonders, lived a curious little girl named Lily.
But that's not all. You can change the language too. Type, translated into Chinese. And the Chinese version pops up with narration included.
斯帕克的神奇大脑。从前，在一个充满奇迹的世界里，住着一个名叫莉莉的好奇小女孩。
If you want a different art style, just type, change the art style to clay style, and watch as your storybook transforms into a beautiful clay style design. And it gets even better. You can turn your child's own drawings into a storybook. Just upload one of their drawings. And type a prompt like, please use a hand-drawn animation art style to create a storybook about a little turtle going on an adventure to help my child overcome the fear of exploring. Wait a moment. And a brand new picture book is created, inspired by their artwork. You can also use Gemini to explain everyday questions to your child in a fun way. For example, upload your resume and type, please create a storybook based on my resume that explains my job in a way my children can understand. And Gemini will instantly generate a storybook that introduces your career. Or you can answer those curious questions kids always ask. Just type, create a fun and engaging storybook to help my child understand why the sky is blue. And a delightful storybook will appear, making learning fun and magical. Pretty cool, right? So, what else do you think we could create with Gemini? Leave a comment below with your ideas. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.